Sixth-generation fighter jets are set to revolutionize aerial warfare, combining extreme stealth, artificial intelligence, and manned-unmanned teamwork. Around the world, major powers are racing to develop these next-generation aircraft that will dominate the skies beyond 2030s. These fighters are expected to feature hypersonic-capable weapons, AI-assisted combat systems, advanced electronic warfare, and the ability to control drone swarms in battle. Welcome back to the channel. Today in this video, we will explore the most important sixth-generation fighter programs currently under development, their technologies, capabilities, and how they could shape the future of air combat. So stay tuned as we dive into the next era of fighter aviation. And please do not forget to like the video, and also subscribe the channel for more amazing videos in the future. Okay, let's start the video. At number 6, we have the Mikoyan MiG-41, also known as POC-DP, Prospective Air Complex for Long-Range Interception, is Russia's future sixth-generation interceptor aircraft designed to replace the legendary Mikoyan MiG-31. The program is being developed by Mikoyan, under United Aircraft Corporation, to defend Russia's massive airspace against stealth aircraft, hypersonic missiles, and high-altitude threats. Development began in the late 2010s, with prototype flights expected in the late 2020s and possible production in the early 2030s. The MiG-41 is expected to use powerful next-generation engines, possibly variable cycle or combined cycle engines, allowing hypersonic speeds of Mach 4 to 5. Its combat range could exceed 1,500–2,000 kilometers, and it may operate at altitudes of 30 to 40 km, close to near space. The aircraft is expected to carry long-range air-to-air missiles such as upgraded R-37M, next-generation hypersonic interceptor missiles, anti-satellite weapons, and advanced electronic warfare systems, likely stored in internal weapon bays. For sensors, the jet may feature advanced AESA radar, long-range infrared search and track systems, electronic intelligence sensors, and high-speed data links. Artificial intelligence could assist pilots with threat detection, targeting, and mission management. The MiG-41 may also operate in network-centric warfare, working with other fighter aircraft, ground systems, satellites, and UAVs to share targeting data in real time. With extreme speed, very high altitude capability, powerful sensors, AI integration, and advanced weapons, the MiG-41 could become one of the fastest and most capable interceptor aircraft ever built. China is developing a next-generation air dominance aircraft commonly called the Chinese sixth-generation fighter, or unofficially called J-36, expected to succeed advanced stealth fighters like the Chengdu J-20. The program is believed to be led by Chengdu Aircraft Industry Group and Shenyang Aircraft Corporation, under Aviation Industry Corporation of China. It is designed as a sixth-generation aircraft focused on air dominance, long-range strike, and network-centric warfare. Initial service is expected around 2035. The fighter will likely use next-generation adaptive or variable cycle engines, possibly an advanced WS-15 derivative, allowing speeds of around Mach 2.5+, and a combat radius of 1,500 to 2,000 kilometers. Operational altitude may exceed 20 kilometers. Weapons may include upgraded PL-15, and future PL-21 long-range air-to-air missiles, hypersonic strike weapons, precision-guided bombs, electronic warfare pods, and directed energy weapons, carried in internal bays for stealth. Sensors are expected to include advanced AESA radar, distributed aperture infrared systems, electronic intelligence sensors, and secure data links. AI will assist with sensor fusion, threat analysis, and swarm drone control. The aircraft will feature advanced stealth shaping, radar-absorbent materials, and reduced infrared signatures. It may operate with loyal wingman UAVs, satellites, and other fighters, sharing targeting data in real time. With AI integration, stealth, powerful sensors, drone teaming capability, and long-range weapons, China's sixth-generation fighter could become one of the most advanced air dominance aircraft in the world, designed to control the skies in future high-tech warfare. The Future Combat Air System (FCAS) is Europe's ambitious next-generation air combat program being developed by France, Germany, and Spain. At the center of this system is the Next Generation Fighter (NGF), designed by Dassault Aviation, Airbus Defence and Space, and Indra Systemas. It is considered a sixth-generation fighter aircraft intended to replace fighters like the Dassault Rafale and Eurofighter Typhoon around 2040. The NGF will likely use next-generation adaptive engines developed by Safran Aircraft Engines and MTU Aero Engines, enabling speeds around Mach 2+, with long-range capability and high endurance. The aircraft may operate at altitudes above 20 kilometers with a large combat radius of around 1,050 kilometers. In terms of weapons, the fighter is expected to carry next-generation air-to-air missiles such as the future European Meteor upgrades, Mica-ing short-range air-to-air missiles, precision-guided bombs, cruise missiles, electronic warfare weapons, and possibly directed energy weapons. These will be stored in internal weapon bays to maintain stealth. For sensors, the aircraft will feature advanced AESA radar, distributed infrared sensors, electronic intelligence systems, and secure high-speed data links. Artificial intelligence will assist pilots by managing sensors, analyzing threats, and coordinating attacks. One of the key features of FCAS is its network-centric warfare system. The NGF will operate with loyal wingman drones called remote carriers, satellites, and other aircraft, sharing real-time battlefield data. Stealth technologies will include advanced airframe shaping, radar-absorbent materials, reduced infrared signature engines, and internal weapons. With AI integration, drone teaming capability, stealth design, powerful sensors, and advanced European weapons, the FCAS NGF is expected to become one of the most advanced air combat systems in the world, capable of dominating future battlefields. The Global Combat Air Program, often associated with the BAE Systems Tempest, is a future air combat project jointly developed by the United Kingdom, Japan, and Italy. The program brings together major companies including BAE Systems, Mitsubishi Heavy Industries, Leonardo S.p.A., and Rolls-Royce Holdings. This aircraft is planned as a sixth-generation stealth fighter, designed to replace aircraft like the Eurofighter Typhoon and Japan's Mitsubishi F2. The program is currently in the development phase, with a technology demonstrator expected to fly around 2027 and operational service planned around 2035. The GCAP fighter will use next-generation adaptive engines developed by Rolls-Royce, designed for high power output and improved efficiency. The aircraft is expected to reach speeds of around Mach 2+, with a long combat radius and the ability to operate at altitudes above 20 kilometers. In terms of weapons, the fighter will carry next-generation air-to-air missiles, long-range strike missiles, hypersonic strike missiles, precision-guided bombs, and advanced electronic warfare systems, all stored in internal weapon bays to maintain stealth. Future directed energy weapons such as high-energy lasers may also be integrated. The aircraft will feature advanced AESA radar with multi-function capabilities, distributed infrared sensors, electronic intelligence systems, and extremely fast data processing computers. Artificial intelligence will assist pilots by managing sensors, analyzing threats, and controlling unmanned systems. Stealth technologies will include advanced airframe shaping, radar-absorbent materials, reduced infrared signature engines, and internal weapons storage. One of the key capabilities of GCAP is manned-unmanned teaming. The aircraft will control loyal wingman UAVs that can perform reconnaissance, electronic warfare, or attack missions while sharing data through secure networks. With AI integration, powerful sensors, stealth design, drone teaming capability, and long-range weapons, the GCAP Tempest system is expected to become one of the most advanced air dominance fighters of the future, capable of dominating modern air combat environments. The F/A-XX is a future sixth-generation carrier-based stealth fighter being developed for the United States Navy. The aircraft is part of the Navy's future air dominance strategy and is intended to replace the Boeing F/A-18E F Super Hornet while working alongside the Lockheed Martin F-35C Lightning II. Major aerospace companies such as Boeing, Northrop Grumman, and Lockheed Martin are expected to compete to build the aircraft. The program began in the 2010s, and the F/A-XX is expected to enter service in the early to mid-2030s. The aircraft will likely use next-generation adaptive cycle engines designed to provide higher thrust, greater fuel efficiency, and massive electrical power for advanced systems. The fighter is expected to reach speeds of around Mach 2 or higher. Its combat radius may exceed 1,500 kilometers, operational altitude could reach around 18 to 20 kilometers. The FAXX will carry weapons in internal bays to maintain stealth. Expected armaments include next-generation long-range air-to-air missiles, anti-ship missiles, hypersonic strike weapons, precision-guided bombs, and advanced electronic warfare systems. Future versions may also include directed energy weapons such as high-power lasers or microwave weapons. The aircraft will feature advanced multi-function AESA radar, distributed infrared search and track systems, electronic intelligence sensors, and extremely powerful sensor fusion computers. Artificial intelligence will assist the pilot with threat detection, sensor management, mission planning, and targeting. The fighter will include next-generation stealth shaping, radar-absorbent materials, internal weapon storage, and reduced infrared signature engines. One of the most important features of FAXX will be manned-unmanned teaming. The fighter will control loyal wingman drones and UAV swarms, which can perform reconnaissance, electronic warfare, decoy missions, or attacks while sharing real-time data with other aircraft, ships, and satellites. With its combination of stealth, AI integration, long-range, drone control capability, and next-generation weapons, the FAXX is expected to become one of the most advanced naval fighter aircraft ever built, capable of dominating the future battlefield from aircraft carriers.
Now let's talk about the last aircraft in our list. The Next Generation Air Dominance, NGAD, or F-47.
The Next Generation Air Dominance, NGAD, F-47 is the United States' most advanced future air combat program, led by the United States Air Force. It is designed to replace the Lockheed Martin F-22 Raptor and maintain air dominance against future threats. The NGAD concept began in the mid-2010s as the U.S. military anticipated future threats from advanced air defenses and rival stealth fighters. The aircraft at the center of the program is considered a sixth-generation fighter F-47, incorporating technologies beyond current fifth generation. A full-scale F-47 demonstrator reportedly flew in 2020, proving many of the key technologies. Production aircraft are expected to enter service in the early 2030s. The fighter will likely use adaptive cycle engines developed by Pratt & Whitney and General Electric. These engines provide higher thrust, better fuel efficiency, and massive electrical power for advanced systems. F-47 is expected to reach speeds of Mach 2+, with a much longer range than current fighters, and operational altitudes above 65,000 feet. Weapons will likely be stored in internal bays to maintain stealth. Expected armaments include next-generation long-range air-to-air missiles, hypersonic weapons, precision-guided bombs, electronic warfare systems, and potentially directed energy weapons such as high-power lasers. F-47 will feature advanced multi-function AESA radar, distributed infrared sensors, electronic intelligence systems, and powerful sensor fusion computers. Artificial intelligence will assist pilots by processing massive battlefield data, prioritizing targets, and managing swarm drone formations. One of the most revolutionary capabilities of F-47 is manned-unmanned teaming. The fighter will command collaborative combat aircraft (CCA), advanced drones that can perform reconnaissance, electronic warfare, decoy operations, or attack missions. These drones will act as loyal wingmen, extending the fighter's reach and survivability. F-47 will provide long-range air superiority, advanced networking, AI-assisted combat management, drone swarm control, and multi-domain integration with satellites and ground systems. With cutting-edge stealth, powerful sensors, AI integration, drone teaming capability, and next-generation weapons, F-47 is expected to become one of the most advanced fighter systems ever created, ensuring U.S. air dominance in the skies for decades to come.
And that's all for this video. Thanks for watching till the end. Please like the video, and do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks. Appreciate your supports. See you all in the next amazing video.